Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and wondered if you could trust them again? After being lied to, betrayed, or broken, the thought of trusting someone can feel impossible. Your heart says give it a chance, but your mind screams, don't get hurt again. In today's episode, I'll guide you through the exact steps to rebuild trust after being hurt. And by the end, you'll know not only how to open your heart again, but how to protect it, so it never gets shattered like that again. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain. Trust cannot be rebuilt if we pretend we're fine. Being hurt leaves wounds even if we bury them deep. Maybe you were cheated on. Maybe a partner lied to you for months. Or maybe someone you loved emotionally neglected you until you felt invisible. Whatever it was, the pain is real. And pretending it didn't happen won't make it go away, it only traps it inside you. Take a moment now. Breathe. Ask yourself, what exactly broke my trust? Write it down if you need to. Seeing it in front of you is the first step to healing. But what if you can't tell if you're just being paranoid or if the danger is real? Don't worry. We'll get to that soon. Step 2. Separate the past from the present. Here's a hard truth. Not everyone will hurt you. But when someone breaks your trust once, your brain starts seeing danger everywhere, even when it's not there. Example. Your last partner cheated on you. Now your new partner texts someone and smiles, your heart races, your mind jumps to the worst. But is that fair? Is that reality? Or is it your past trauma speaking? Tip. When fear creeps in, ask yourself, is this a fact or a feeling? Has this person given me any reason not to trust them? If the answer is no, but what if they have done something suspicious? That brings us to the next step. Breathe. Remind yourself, this is not my past. Step 3. Communicate. Even when it's hard, trust grows in the soil of honest conversations. And yes, those conversations can be awkward. Imagine this. You're feeling uneasy. You don't know if it's paranoia or intuition. You could stay silent and let resentment grow. Or you could say, hey, I noticed you were texting a lot today, and it made me feel a bit anxious. I know I have some trust wounds from the past, but I wanted to check in with you. Notice the difference? You're not accusing. You're inviting them into your feelings. Result: a caring partner will listen and reassure you. A dishonest partner will deflect or attack. Their response tells you a lot. But what if your partner just doesn't understand your pain? That's where the next step becomes crucial. Step 4. Watch their patterns, not just their words. Anyone can say you can trust me. But actions, patterns, they reveal everything. Do they follow through on their promises? Are they consistent over time? When you express discomfort, do they adjust or dismiss you? Trust isn't built in a day. It's built when you see someone showing up again and again. Trust the small, boring signs more than the grand gestures. The text that says, I'll be home at 8, and they're home at 8. That's trust. But what if you feel like you'll never fully trust anyone again? That leads us to the most powerful step. Step 5. Rebuild trust in yourself first. This is the part no one talks about. The real reason we can't trust others after being hurt is because we stop trusting ourselves. You might think, how did I not see the signs? How could I let this happen? The betrayal shattered, not just your faith in others, but your confidence in your own judgment. Take your power back. Remind yourself, you survived. You learned. You know the red flags now. You won't miss them again. You can walk away if something feels wrong. When you rebuild trust in yourself, trusting others becomes easier. Because you know that no matter what, you will protect your heart. Trust is not about finding someone perfect. It's about believing you will be okay even if they're not. You can heal. You can love again. And this time, it will be on your terms. Have you ever struggled with trust after being hurt? Share your journey in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Decode Love for more honest relationship advice.